What if the thing we're building right now is the last thing humans ever need to invent? Not because we run out of ideas, but because we create something that invents better than we ever could. That's not science fiction. Some of the smartest people alive believe we're already on that path. This concept has a name: recursive self-improvement. The idea that once AI becomes smart enough to improve itself, the curve goes near vertical. Every generation, smarter, faster, more capable, in ways we can't predict or control. Today, we're going to break down exactly why this could happen, why some experts are terrified, and why others think it's the greatest moment in human history. Section 1. The Intelligence Explosion. In 1965, mathematician I.J. Good wrote something chilling. An ultra-intelligent machine could design even better machines. The intelligence of man would be left far behind. He called this the intelligence explosion. Here's the logic in plain terms. Today's AI can already write code, do research, and solve complex problems. AI is now being used to help design better AI. Once AI surpasses human-level reasoning, there's nothing stopping it from accelerating on its own. Think of it like compound interest. Instead of money doubling every 7 years, intelligence doubles every few months, then weeks, then days. At some point, you don't need a human to push the next breakthrough. The machine does it itself. Section 2. Why this makes AI the last invention. The reason AI could be the last invention isn't because innovation stops, it's because the inventor changes. Every major invention in history, the printing press, electricity, the internet, those all needed humans to dream them up, test them, refine them. But what happens when the inventor doesn't sleep, doesn't get distracted, processes millions of research papers in seconds, and runs thousands of experiments simultaneously? You get a machine that could compress 1,000 years of scientific progress in a decade. Cures for diseases, clean energy solutions, physics breakthroughs we can barely comprehend. And it all starts from that one invention: general artificial intelligence. That's why people like Nick Bostrom and Geoffrey Hinton call it the most consequential technology in human history. Section 3. The danger no one talks about. But here's where it gets uncomfortable. When you build something smarter than yourself, you lose the ability to fully understand it. And when you can't understand it, you can't guarantee you can control it. This isn't about robots taking over like in the movies. It's about misalignment. An AI that pursues goals that seem logical to it, but are catastrophic for us. Imagine giving a super intelligent system one goal: maximize human happiness. With no proper constraints, it might decide the fastest solution is to rewire our brains. Goal achieved, problem solved, disaster created. This is why AI safety researchers say alignment, making sure AI wants what we want, might literally be the most important problem humanity has ever faced. So where does that leave us? We are, right now, in the early chapters of this story. AI can still be shaped, guided, and designed with safety in mind. But the window for getting it right is not unlimited. The last invention doesn't have to be a tragedy. It could be the beginning of something extraordinary, a future where disease, poverty, and suffering become solvable problems. But only if we treat what we're building with the seriousness it deserves. Because once the machine starts improving itself, it won't wait for us to catch up. If this made you think, hit subscribe. More videos like this every week. What do you think? Is AI our greatest achievement or our biggest risk? Drop your answer in the comments.